Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. So please like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Today I'll be working on a Dutch pour on an 8x8 gallery wrap canvas. My flood coat or background will be black. And I mix my paint, 1 part pouring medium, 1 part paint, and then I thin with water. The colors will be listed in the description below, but they are all pearl colors. They are pearl blue, pearl yellow, pearl violet, pearl white, and pearl red. So with the Dutch pour, I'll lay all my colors out, and then I'll blow my base coat over the colors, and then I will blow the colors out with a hair dryer as well as a mini dryer. And I got the mini dryer from Amazon. So I'll let you enjoy the video. Again, please like, subscribe, and comment. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what we do.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.